And to make a standard carbon spectrum is also the same thing as you did for the proton. So what you did here, for example, I have a carbon here. You double click on here. You choose all the peak you did for the proton. You pick up all the peaks you want, and they will show to the chemical shape on here. You go to the plot editor. Then, so normally you don't have this standardized still not standard template. You will have all the default template from the top spin. Then, for example, you have here the 1dx, which means 1D heteronuclear, which means I have a carbon. If I have carbon, it will just stand for carbon. If I have something else, for example, fluorine, it will have a fluorine spectrum here. So if for the other nucleus other than a proton, you can click on here and then choose this button here. And it will give you all the information here. Still, you don't really need all the data here. You need to delete everything else and change the format as you did for the proton. And for me, I have the template already been saved, so I will just pick up that one. So once you, for example, I want to show you how to save a template. Once you have a template being saved, for example, if I have the data on here already being saved, and I want this for all my other spectrum to look like the same thing as I did for this one. You click on here, then you just save or save as. Save as, when you save as, you will go to the default folder where you save all other template. And I can normally name this as this, and I can change here to C13, and I just for the ISI template and my initial here. And make sure that you, when you save the template, you have to save the template into this folder. And otherwise, if you save into other folder, for example, if you save this template into your desktop, then the task bin won't recognize this data, so it won't process the template as it did for other templates. So once you save it, and then every time if you have a new carbon spectrum and you want to change the format into the exact same thing as you did for this spectrum, you can just follow this step. So for example, I can show you one example here. And for example, I have a carbon from other data here, and all the data is showing here. And I want the data to look exactly as what it look like for other my templates I just did for just now. First, I need to do the order process and pick up the peaks. Everything will be simple. Save and go to plot editor. Then we just go to the layout and open. And go to the template I just saved. So for example, C13 ISI template, and just click on open. That will just look like this.